Tēnā koutou, tamariki mā. It's really good to see you guys. What day do you think it is today? Hea ha tēnei rā. What is today? What day is it today? I suppose it's really hard for you guys to find out what day it is because every day has been at home most of the times. So if you're like me, I'm not sure what day it is, but today I know exactly what day it is today because yesterday was Sunday and it was your mummy's day. So all of your mummies out there, it was their day yesterday, so that's why I know what today is. Otherwise I probably wouldn't know what today is. So what's after Sunday? Yes, Monday. Remember? Sunday, Monday. And do you know what that day is in Māori? That's a hard one, eh? I'll give you a clue. It starts with rā. Rā something. Most of the days starts with rā, eh? It's rāhina. Or when I was little, we used to call it mane. Mane as in Monday, ture as in Tuesday, Wenere as in Wednesday, taite as in Thursday, and paraire, which is Friday. But now it's rāhina, rātapu. No, it's not. Rātapu is Sunday. Rāhina, rātu. Maybe I should teach you guys maybe the next song I should teach you guys are the Days of the Week song, all right? But today we're going to learn the 5 Little Ducks, all right? And I know you guys know that in English, but I'm also going to teach you in Māori, hopefully, because this is my first time doing this song too in Māori, all right? I had to look at what the words were and then I wrote it up. So let's have a crack at this, all right? Okay. Look, so we got 5 ducks. Tahirua, toru, whārima, okay? 5 little ducks, oops, let's go a bit lower than that. 5 little ducks, toru, wha. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 and 4 little ducks came swimming back. Quack, 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 quack. 4 ducks. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, only how many? 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. Only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. Only 1 little duck came back. Quack! 1 little duck went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. No little ducks came swimming back. Okay, let's go over the Māori words first, eh? Where's my little pointer? Cheapers, I don't know where my little pointer is. Maybe I'll use my brush. Okay, here we go. So look over here, e rima. So that's, what do you think rima is? Yeah, 5. Okay, 5. And iti, rakiraki. So a duck is a rakiraki, all right? I kohoi is swimming, I te rā, all right? Ki runga, over, inga, puke, the hills, and far away, I te tawhito. Ki mai te mama rakiraki, quack, quack, quack. E whā I te rakiraki o raki. All right? 4 little ducks came back. Right, here we go. Let's do it in Māori. I'll go really slow. E rima I te rakiraki, I kohoi I te rā. Ki runga I ngā puke going to do whā. E whā I te raki raki I kau hoi I te rā, ki runga I ngā puke I te tāwhito, ki mai te mama raki raki quack, quack, quack. E rua, e rua, e toru I te raki raki o raki. Okay, toru. Tahi rua toru. E toru I te raki raki I kau hoi I te rā, ki runga I ngā puke I te tāwhito, ki mai te mama raki raki quack, quack, quack. E rua I te raki raki o raki. Okay, two. Tahi, rua. E rua I te raki raki I kau hoi I te rā, ki runga I ngā puke I te tāwhito, ki mai te mama raki raki quack, quack, quack. Ko tahi I te raki raki I kau hoi I te rā. Oh, oh, oh. Shh. Ko tahi I te raki raki o raki. Here we go. Ko tahi I te raki raki I kau hoi I te rā, I runga I ngā puke I te tāwhito, ki mai te mama raki raki quack, quack, quack. Kaore I te raki raki o raki. Wow, that was pretty hard. That was the first time I've ever sung that song. You probably knew that because I was a bit funny on it. Okay, so remember, be really cool today and have a great day. Do lots of really fun things, and I will see you. Ka kite anō koutou. Ka kite anō ahau ki a koutou a pōpō. I will see you guys tomorrow.